Hello, welcome all. Today we'll be seeing the explanation to the poem Recess. The poem Recess from Standard 4 textbook. The poet of the poem is anonymous. Anonymous means we don't know who is the poet of the poem. Here begins the poem Recess. Recess. Girls and boys make lot of noise. It means as soon as the bell rings for the recess, the girls boys in the school make so much noise and run and jump and laugh and shout. Means when the recess begins, they start shouting and laughing and giggling and they start running here and there in the whole school. They think they are free birds now. They can do anything, whatever they wish. That's why they scream, they shout, they laugh and play and run around in the whole corridor of the school. While here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. That means, on the other hand, we can see at some places children are making groups and quietly walking around. The girls, especially, they talk so softly. The girls make small groups and start gossiping about whatever they had done in the four periods or what has happened earlier. A game begins, but no one wins. Means as soon as the recess is over, children start eating their tiffin fast, and then they plan of playing a game. Yet no one wins. Why? Because the time period of the recess is so small that they cannot finish eating and playing and doing all the things. Though they play with might and main, it means the children use their full energy to play the game and they try to win the game. But long before the game is over, bell rings out for school again. That means even before the time for the game is there to get over, the school bell rings again. And once again, it's time that they have to go back to the class. That's why the poem says, for long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. So, all these activities the students keep on doing during the recess. But by the time they finish up playing the game, the bell rings and they have to go back to the class where the teacher is waiting for them, and this way the recess is passed away. So, this is all about our poem Recess. I'll recite it once again for you so you can say it with me and learn the poem by heart. Recess, written by Anonymous. Girls and boys make lot of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there with quiet air groups of children walk about. A game begins but no one wins, although they play with might and main, for long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. If you find this video helpful, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.